All right, guys, so what I got here is the RYOBI One 18 volt 6 tool set. Now this is a great set. A lot of tools here. You get a flashlight with it, which I really like. This is a nice, really nice flashlight. Got a lot of cool functionality here to it. It's got power. Got a few different. It's got the ability to adjust back and forth. I like that right here. I can set it down, right? So I'm not, if I want to just set it down on the ground, I can do that. I've also got a hook here if I want to hook it up. But I really like this flashlight. I think it's one of the cool things about this set. Great flashlight there. You got an impact wrench. You got an 18 volt impact wrench. Again, very powerful. It's got up to 1800 RPMs and up to 3400 IPMs, which is impacts per minute. Very easy to use. Again, forward, reverse. You got a light here. Removing bits, very easy. You're better off using an impact bit, but you just pull this out, put the bit in, let it snap back, and it locks in place. Again, to remove it, same thing. Pull it out. Again, nice tool, quite a bit of power in this. So that's another nice option there. Then here we also have the RYOBI One 18 volt drill driver. You got 24 position clutch, and one of those is wide open for drilling. First and second gear. First gear is up to 400 RPMs. Excuse me. First gear is up to 450 RPMs. Second gear is up to 1700 RPMs. You also have 400 inch-pounds of torque, so quite a bit of power here. And a nice light on the bottom here, so when you hit that trigger, it's going to light up. Variable speed trigger as well. So nice little drill driver, comes with the set as well. You have a multi-tool as well. Battery is right here. This comes with some bits, a variety of bits. But you got 6 speed settings here. Comes with a tool to remove this. To put the different attachments on, you do have to remove this. It's not quick change. The other thing that is nice about it, it is a slow start trigger. So when you push on that trigger, it's going to slow start and then it'll speed up. Just in case you're hitting something you don't want to, it will slow start and speed up. The other thing I like about this, it'll light up on the top, but it stands up on its own. So very easy to use. You want to set it off to the side, set it off to the side. You don't have to lay it down flat. Also comes with a circular saw here. Side load battery, which I really like. I think it just balances this out a little bit better. Comes with a blade, very easy to attach. You've got your hex driver here. Just put it in here, and then right there, lock that. It is reverse threaded, so you have to be aware of that. This piece comes off, then you can put the blade in. This comes off. And you're going to put the blade in like this. Take, of course, the plastic off. Just showing you as an example. Goes in like that. And then put this back on. And tighten it back down. Of course, reverse threads. Then to lock it, you're going to push this button on the side. And then tighten it down like that. Now, a couple things I really like about this saw. So we have a depth gauge on the side here. To loosen this up, if we want to change our depth, we can. Now, what I like about this is it has markings. So if you want a 1/4 inch, just move that down to where it's flush with that, in line with that line there, and you've got a 1/4 inch of the blade showing. If you want a 1/2 inch, again, move it up to 1/2 inch. 3/4, 1 inch. I really like that. It'd be cool if all saws did that, but unfortunately they don't. But I really like that. Then you just lock it in place like that. All right, here we have, of course, our front angle. Again, just that changes the angle of our blade. There's also a piece you can get on the side here that'll kind of, if you want to extend out past this measurement here, you can extend it and clip on the end of a board to make straighter cuts. So kind of nice functionality there. It's just a nice tool. Like I said, I really like the side load battery and those markings on this thing here. Now, next we have our Sawzall. This is a nice Sawzall. It's lightweight. It's not a small, little handheld Sawzall, but it is light enough you could hold it with one hand. Blades are easy to take in and out. Quick release on the blades. Just lock that, push that in, lock it in place. That's nice here. Lock, unlock. Variable speed trigger. Again, got two spots. You can hold it here or hold it here. Like I said, this to me is kind of that middle ground. It does not feel like a full-size Sawzall. It's got quite a bit of power though. It's got 3,400 SPMs, which is saws per minute, which is nice. Again, here or there. It's small enough to get into tight spaces, but it's got enough power to cut pretty much anything you want. So nice tool. This set also comes with a charger and two 2 amp hour batteries. I don't mind the 2 amp hour batteries. I like the 4 better, just because they got a little bit more power. But honestly, great set. Got a lot of tools in there, and I really like RYOBI and what they're doing. Just a nice set.